Hey, thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today is part 3 of our tailgate series. So for this episode, we're going to do one of my tailgate favorites, sausage cheese balls. So be sure and stick around. All right, we still have some coals left over from that pork butt that we smoked the other day, so we're just going to roll with these. All right, folks, for the ingredients, we got just 1 pound of mild pork sausage, that's breakfast sausage, 4 cups of shredded cheese, use whatever you like, we're using sharp cheddar today, a cup and 3/4 of Bisquick pancake mix, some diced jalapeños, those are optional, and today we're gonna roll with a little bit of rub, my homemade blend of salt, pepper, onion, garlic. All right, so now that we have the ingredients, while the Blaze Kamado fires up, we're trying to get about 400 degrees on there, we're gonna go ahead and make our meatballs. These meatballs have been on for about 30 minutes. Let's see what we got. Look cheesy and smoky. Smells delicious. Let's go ahead and get these guys plated. Man, look at these. I hope you can see that pretty good. That cheese caramelized. I like to cook these to about 180 internal. That 165 mark seems a little mushy to me, so let's take a bite. Smoky, delicious. It's got that breakfast sausage flavor, that cheese, that jalapeno all comes together for a spicy, savory, salty, peppery mix. It's a perfect tailgate recipe. Hey, if you like what we're doing here at Casks-n-Que, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's gonna help out this channel out a lot, which allows us to bring you more content. Hey, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you next time.